Welcome to my channel. Do you like free samples? Today I received an Olay Night Eye Cream from PINCHme. This product hydrates the skin around your eyes throughout the night too. Reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It is also dermatologist tested. They also sent me some vouchers. The first person to get to this part of the video and would like to use the codes are welcome to keep it. Sign up for PINCHme. It is free of charge and free shipping. No credit card is required, and you also get to keep the product. Thanks for watching, and make sure to go check out the Olay website for other products that they have for skincare.